According to research, 68% of online journey will start with search engines, and out of which 91% of the searches are conducted on Google. SEM is a very powerful digital marketing technique since it allows you to connect with customers as they are looking for a product similar to yours. By setting up and managing a PPC campaign takes a lot of work and knowledge. Now you might wonder, what exactly is search engine marketing or SEM? Hey everyone, my name is Rahul Chandra and today we will get to know about search engine marketing. SEM or search engine marketing is a very efficient approach to boost your website's ranking on a search engine like Google and draw a targeted traffic campaign. You may raise a brand awareness, boost your sales by investing into search engines. While the industry term once referred to both organic search activities as search engine optimization and paid, it now refers almost exclusively to paid search advertisement. How does the search engine marketing work? To ensure that the most results are returned for each search, including location and the other relevant information, search engines are use complex algorithms. In paid search advertising, sponsored adverts are displayed before the side of graphic results, organic results, and to stand out more prominently. Consider yourself a client seeking good service or a product online. You enter your search term, also known as keyword, into a search engine and you will see several company advertisement on the search result on the top whose keywords will include exactly like your. These advertisements along with the other search results that matches your criteria are shown in the prominent areas on the website. As a result of the paid listing, strong relevance to your particular search, you are more likely to click on them. The most important aspect of SEM is setting up a campaign. SEM campaign works. When you look at how SEM campaigns work from the marketer's perspective, SEM networks are self-serve operation. Once a marketer select a network, they can get into a campaign with a short period of time. When setting up a campaign within an SEM network, the marketer is prompted to conduct a keyword research, select a set of keywords unrelated to their website or a product, select a geographic location for the ad to be displayed within, create a text-based or a display campaign, or bid their price willing to pay for each click on their ads. Text-only ads are easy to produce. Marketers enter headline, text for the body, and call to action and the URL for the hyperlink. Search engine marketing is considered by many to the most efficient way to spend marketing resources. I hope with this information you will get a major idea about what is search engine marketing. To know and more learn about the search engine marketing, you can enroll in a digital marketing course. You can take a digital marketing foundation masterclass to know more. And in this link, we will be also providing the information related to our channel as well. For more informative videos, digital marketing, do consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you till then.